keep spinning, right?
Nature always has surprising things that make us ask one big question. What on earth is actually happening? This time, we're going to dive into the most bizarre nature moments ever caught on camera. This is the tense moment when extremely fierce gale force winds hit the Dune du Pilat area in France. The Dune du Pilat is the tallest sand dune in Europe, located on the French Atlantic coast within the Arcatian Bay, about 60 kilometers southwest of Bordeaux. Standing roughly 100 to 115 meters high, 3 kilometers long, and 500 meters wide, this sand dune borders the Atlantic Ocean on one side and a vast pine forest on the other. This breathtaking natural landmark is constantly moving and changing shape due to the wind, shifting about 1 to 5 meters toward the forest every year. This is a rare sight that is both dangerous and terrifying. This rolling mass of lava, which looks like something straight out of hell, reaches super hot temperatures ranging from 700 degrees Celsius to 900 degrees Celsius. For comparison, freshly erupted lava from a crater typically ranges between 1,000 degrees Celsius and 1,250 degrees Celsius. So by the time you see lava that has already started clumping up, it has lost at least 200 to 400 degrees Celsius of its original heat.
Come back over to your left, please.
One of the most destructive types of precipitation is hail. The primary cause of this phenomenon is the towering vertical growth of cumulonimbus clouds that reach past the freezing level in the atmosphere. This convective activity is triggered by intense daytime solar heating, which generates high-speed updrafts inside the storm cloud.
Wow. They go fucking smash. Look at this one. That must have been a big...
There's people right there.
Pulling that shit.
Now it's gonna make the water dissipate.
Winning the other day.
Yeah, but
When a flood hits, you should never get anywhere near whirlpools like this. That is because the suction power of a whirlpool is strong enough to swallow a human whole down into the underground drainage system.
oh yeah, it's calm. It's on.
Yeah, no, I almost drove in it. Gentlemen, rainstorm, June 29th.
Sometimes the forces of nature like to mess with humanity. Take this incident, for example, where the wind's power seems to be playing a practical joke like an old friend. A Taiwanese fisherman named Wei Changjian discovered and filmed a mysterious, transparent, green, worm-like creature with a retractable pink tongue at Penghu Harbor. The video, uploaded to Facebook, went viral due to the creature's unique shape. Although not yet definitively identified, many suspect it is a ribbon worm, Nemersha, a marine predator that can immobilize its prey using toxic mucus expelled through a specialized feeding organ called a proboscis and can grow up to several dozen centimeters long. This CCTV footage captures the moment the ground split open and panic broke out among residents during the double earthquake in Venezuela on June 24, 2026. stunning footage captures the formation of a massive tornado in the rural countryside of South Dakota. Storm chasers managed to capture the exact moment a tornado touched down near Clear Lake, South Dakota.
I'm so happy. You're broke?
Good reds in there. Really good reds.
This is an extremely rare sight that only a handful of people ever get to witness. The aurora borealis is a natural light display in the night sky. Catching an aurora this bright and clear is a stroke of pure luck, as it heavily depends on weather conditions. In fact, regions within the Arctic Circle have extreme climates, making clear skies that support its appearance very hard to come by.
Overhead. Right overhead.
This is the chilling sight of a frozen river experiencing a drop in temperature, turning its flow into a massive sheet of destructive ice. This is a tornado slamming into the city of Blagoveshchensk, Russia, located right on the border with China. This city of about 200,000 residents in the Russian Far East rarely experiences such a phenomenon. This event serves as clear proof that tornadoes do not only happen in America's Tornado Alley. The 13-minute tornado left one person dead and 12 others injured. According to a meteorologist quoted by the news agency, this was the first time a tornado had ever struck a Russian city. The damage from this disaster was reported to reach 80 million rubles.
Ой, все. Выключай!
This video footage initially looks totally normal, but out of nowhere, moments later, a shocking event occurs when a passing truck suddenly plunges into the ground as a sinkhole opens up right beneath it. In certain places around the world, there is a unique phenomenon where waterfalls that are supposed to cascade downward with massive force end up defying gravity entirely, pushed upward by unbelievable wind power.
Two large funnels.
Take a look at these two massive tornadoes running right alongside each other in Ontario, Canada. Conditions like this usually end with one tornado dissipating because it gets overpowered by the vortex strength, or both of them fizzling out due to the disruption of their mutual vortex centers. Those were the most mind-boggling nature moments ever caught on camera. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.